In this Python tutorial, we'll learn how to find the missing number in a list of consecutive numbers. We'll start with a Python function called findMissingNumber that takes a list of numbers as input and returns the missing number. Imagine you have a list of consecutive numbers from 1 to n, but one number is missing. How do you find the missing number efficiently? Let's take an example list. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To solve this problem, we use a clever formula, n times n plus 1, all divided by 2. This formula calculates the sum of all numbers from 1 to n. In our example, n is 10, the length of our list, so the sum is 10 times 11, all divided by 2, which equals 55. Next, we calculate the sum of all numbers in our list. In our example, the sum of the list 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is 51. To find the missing number, we subtract the sum of the list from the total sum. So 55 minus 50 equals 4, which is our missing number. Understanding how to find missing numbers in a list is not only useful in programming, but also in various real-world scenarios, such as data analysis and error detection. And that's how you can find the missing number in a list of consecutive numbers using Python. Remember, practice is key to mastering Python programming. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Python tutorials.